Well, good evening all. I'd offer the warmest of welcomes here from Euston Station, but sadly, warmest of welcomes I can't offer. Tonight we're heading on Caledonian Sleepers Highlander service through to Edinburgh and Inverness. We'll arrive in Inverness roughly about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we'll be continuing our adventures. What adventures, you might ask? Well, funny you should mention, back when the Great British Railway adventure first started in February and March, there were 21 stations that I couldn't get to finish the challenge. So tomorrow we are going to take those 21 stations and head towards Thurso, George Smith Junction and Wick on the Far North Line. Come and join us, come and have some fun. I'm hoping I'm going to have some fun tomorrow. For now, I'm going to leave you in the company of Caledonian Sleepers night service, and we'll take a room tour and see what's on offer on our classic solar room tonight. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.
In our classic twin room tonight, the first thing you'll notice ahead of you is the small basin just under the window. On this occasion, the water was not working from the tap due to an issue in the carriage. However, normally there is a good supply of hot and cold water to freshen up in the morning. However, this is not suitable for drinking, and Caledonian Sleeper do kindly supply a couple of bottles of water at the other end of the bed, as seen above. Also underneath the sink, you'll find a couple of hand towels, which is a nice touch, along with a small rubbish bin to the right hand side. On the main side of the cabin you've got two coat hangers. These can also be hung up on the door as well for suit jackets, etc. If you're travelling with more than just two people, you can request the interconnecting door to be opened by the staff, and this creates a bit more room in the two cabins. A long-standing mirror can be seen whilst I'm waving. This just gives a better perspective of the room. On the top bunk you'll see a small control panel with a light switch, a reading light and USB-A. And there's also a nice little area to store your devices whilst charging overnight. Descending to the bottom bunk, we have a repeated control panel where we have the main light switch with dimmer. We have a reading light as demonstrated, a USB-A socket and a temperature gauge. Heading to the foot of the bed, we have repeated USB-A sockets, two 3-pin plug sockets, a host call for any attendance required in food, and also a window light for around the sink. In the room you also get two little amenities kits. These include a face mask, some earplugs, and also a little soap bar for the morning. There's also a little menu for your breakfast, whereby you get a complimentary tea, coffee or orange juice included in the room, and there's also other breakfast items you can pay with a surcharge. Just ensure that you select a time for when you would like your breakfast, and the attendants will bring it to you. If you're not keen on heading to the club car, or if the club car is full, there are some in-room snacks and drinks that you may purchase, which is used via the host call button. Please note that as I was in a standard classic room, passengers who are in club rooms or double rooms will get priority access to the club car, and the host may inform you on checking in whether or not there is a wait to get into the club car on the evening. Finally, there is a privacy blind which you can move up and down to your desired position. This also blocks most of the sunlight out, however I would recommend using the provided sleep mask, as there is still some light coming from the control panels. As we depart Euston, it is time to get comfortable in the room and settle down for a good night's sleep. Our estimated arrival into Inverness is approximately 08:30, so hopefully everything goes smoothly overnight. Well, a very good morning to you all. I'm
currently in between Aviemore and Carbridge, heading through the Highlands, the picturesque Highlands as people would call it. Had a reasonable night's sleep last night. It was a bit bumpy when they're doing the shunting around Edinburgh, but it is to be expected. Credit to the Caledonian staff last night when they informed me that there was no running water in our rooms in this particular coach. There was a few extra bottles of water chucked in, which was really nice. It was also nice this morning where there's been leftover breakfast and they were just passing it around to the people in the, it might be just a particular coach, who knows, but it was well needed this morning when I first woken up. I've got a coffee in my hand here, which is really, really nice. I'm looking out towards the picturesque Highlands and we're on our way to Inverness. Should be in Inverness in about 20 minutes time, and I'll update you further. Down towards Inverness and back home via the Caledonian sleeper again tonight towards Euston. Come and join us on the journey. I'm really looking forward to this. I can't wait to get over the finishing line and wake. So let's go, let's get on it.
So on today's journey on the 4 North Line, we will start heading through Inverness, through Dingwall, Tane, Lag, Helmsdale, Forsenard, Thurso, twice through Jordsmith Junction, and finally to Wick.
train.
information notices which are located throughout the street. If you have any luggage, please place lighter items in the overhead racks and any larger items in the dedicated luggage area.
absolutely breathtaking coming up, and I even got the recommendation of the gardens, the best spots on the train to sit at. Thankfully the trolley's been on all the way up, so it's been nice for a cup of tea now and again. Once you left Caledonian, we'll be continuing up towards Scots Calder, Judgment Junction, Thurso and Wick. Let's get on it. We're still estimated to get in roughly before 10 to 3, where we'll be counting down the last couple of stations. Just a quick update on the journey. We're just about to leave Scenic here, as we can just see just out the window here. That was station number 5, so we've got 4 more to go. Next stop will be Scots Calder, and we will stop it on the break for pathing purposes, but next stop will be Scots Calder, station number 4. One of the final updates, down to 2 stations. We just left Judgment Junction for the first time. We're now going to Brinsmore's northerly railway station in Thurso, and then we heading back via Judgment Junction to our end destination of Wick. Let's get on it. Come on, let's go. We're on our way to Wick. Come on, we can do this. Can't go wrong now. Come on, let's go. Well, as you can see from behind me, we've eventually arrived into Wick. It's been a grueling journey this afternoon, but it's been really worth it. There's some fantastic scenery coming up the far north line. So that's it, as far as the Great British Railway adventure is concerned. The last 21 stations have been officially done. Time now to head back towards Inverness. We're going to get the sleeper back towards Euston tonight. Or maybe we take a short diversionary and maybe do it all over again. Who fancies it? Sadly not on this occasion, but we'll be going to France next month as part of the Great European Rail Adventure, so please keep updates for that. What's left as the Great British Railway Adventure is Ashley Down on the Great Western Railway Network, and when the new Northumberland line finally comes out in December. Just like to thank everybody for their continued support throughout this journey, for the money that was raised, and I hope to see you on another day at another distant station for another fantastic adventure. I'll see you all soon. I'm off back towards Inverness now. Cheerio.